Hi everyone, so today we're going to be packing some stuff for FBA, and I've got a few tips and tricks for those of you that are looking to pack more smartly. So in this one box I'm going to be putting books and these egg cups. So obviously if we were to pack all of these, just chuck everything in, we would end up damaging this item. So the good thing to do would be to pop all of them into a small box like so. And we're going to put that in the same box as our books. So what we can do is pack all our books into the box like this. Okay, now we have quite a few books, so I think the clever thing would be to pack them in. Okay, what shall we do? The next one we can put in is this one here, and obviously make sure that you have labeled all of your books nicely. Ensure that the actual any barcodes on the book should be covered with something, because obviously we don't want to confuse the FBA center. So make sure it's covered and you've got your FNSKU and your barcode on there as well. This is the first time actually that I've stuck mine on with some tape because I've run out of labels. So let's see how that goes. I'll let you know how it goes. Hopefully it won't be a problem. Okay, and the last book just on top. So you're gonna have to play around with these because obviously the box isn't going to close. So we are going to have to. Okay, so we're going to pop both of these books on top of each other. And this book is going to go here, perfect. And we've got this book here. Wow, so we've got everything, including our little egg cups and the books, inside one box. And I'm actually using the wrong box to send it in. So yeah, we're going to pack this up and we shall send it to Amazon. Well, thanks for watching this video, and if you found it useful and maybe you'd like me to make some more, let me know what videos you'd like to see. Hope you have a lovely day. See you next time.